Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable hardware virtualization in Windows 11. To start the process, first turn on your computer and log into Windows 11. Click on the Start button and open the Settings app. In the Settings window, click on System from the menu on the left side. Now scroll down and select the Recovery option. Here, under the Advanced Startup section, click on the Restart Now button. This will restart your computer and load the Advanced Startup menu. Once your computer restarts, you will see a blue screen with several options. Select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart and your system will reboot directly into the BIOS setup screen. Now that we are in the BIOS, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate. On a Gigabyte motherboard, go to the Advanced Frequency Settings option and press Enter. Inside this menu, select Advanced CPU Settings. Here you will find an option called SVM mode. SVM stands for Secure Virtual Machine, and it is the setting that controls hardware virtualization on AMD-based Gigabyte motherboards. Highlight SVM mode and enable it. This will turn on hardware virtualization. Once enabled, go to the Save and Exit option. Select it, and when prompted, confirm that you want to save the changes. Your computer will now restart. That is the complete process for enabling virtualization on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.